This tutorial will help you understand how to share your Carta portfolio with others and invite them to manage your holdings. To share your portfolio, log into your Carta account and select the portfolio you would like to share in the top left. Navigate to Account and then People. Click Add User, then enter the details of the new user. This will include name, email address, and job title. Next, select whether you would like them to be an administrator of the account. Administrators have the ability to accept and manage holdings under that portfolio, whereas non-administrators are only able to view the portfolio. After entering the necessary information, click Send Invite. If this person does not have a Carta account, they will be invited to register. If they already have a Carta account, they will get an email notification confirming they can access your portfolio. You can easily revoke access of any user you added by navigating to that same People page, clicking the Edit button to the right of their name, and clicking the trash can in the top left corner. This action ensures they no longer have access to your Carta portfolio.